In last video I showed you how to create a new user, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a user to a group, how to create a new group, and also some settings and properties about our user. Everything on Windows Server 2012. So click on Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers, Unit. This is the unit that we have created. This is our user that we have created lastly. Now to create a new group we also right click, now new, and group. Let's name it GGG. We can select our group scope and group type. Let's just say global, I guess, for this, and we can't just drag our user to the group. We have to do it more manually. We left click, then right click our user, click on properties, and as you can see there's a lot of properties. We can add an address, we can change the hours that you can log on, and also what we have to do is click on member of. We have to click add, and we have to put in the name of our group. Click OK, and as you can see, if we look in this group, if we just here click again on properties, member of, let's try again, GGG. We have to click check names, my bad, check names, and now OK, apply. And now if you click again, we're going to see that this meow is in group GGG. We also can change, like I said, logon hours. We can set that maybe he can only log from Monday to Friday 6 since 6 to, I don't know, 5 before. Let's just save to 4. Click OK to save. And as you can see, Sunday from 12 AM to first AM. If we select this, but if we select like this that we have selected, Monday through Friday from 6 AM to 4 PM. We can close it. We can also change some account options, like user must change password on next logon, password never expires, and we can also change when will this account expire, like, I don't know, in a year. So just click here, let's choose 2025 March 3rd, and we just have to click apply. That's all. If I helped you, please like and subscribe. If you have any further questions, just leave them in the comments.